now let's see what a pineapple is going to say. So I am a pineapple. I come from South America. So here, if you all have a globe, you can take some time to discuss about the continents on the globe. I have done this with my modes of transport project. So here I can tell my daughter that South America is here. So it originated from this place. So I am a tropical fruit. Then I grow on a small plant, unlike the other fruits which grow on big trees. So this is a very small plant, or you can call a shrub, on which the pineapple grows. Now when you cut upon the pineapple, it is going to say that my flesh is yellow. You can also say that my inside is yellow. Then I have no seed and I am sweet and sour to taste. So this was about the pineapple. Do let me know about the project in the comment box below. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing off. Happy pineapples and happy growing up with your loved ones.